Hello guys, welcome back to Galivandagar YouTube channel. Now, we will what I got in my SPL kit. So I am a student in Johannesburg, South Africa. So in the school, in the SPL kit, what all things I got provided. So our experience is share and it's kind of an unboxing video too. So these are the things which I got from my school, guys. This school is first one is actually, it's like a headset, if you guys can see. So this is actually Air Classic, the HS1 headset. So for flight training we need headset, and my college provides headset. Okay, so pala colleges headset provide cheyatilla, but my aviation academy they are providing it. So let's unbox it soon. Okay guys, so this is like literally like an unbox video. So this is like, yeah. So this is our headset packaging. You can see how this is going to be. So it actually worn out earless in the headset seals. You can see this. And the next one is like headset. So this is the headset, guys. I'm so excited for this one. So this is like, you know, like, this is so good. Look at this. Oh my god. It's like voice cancellation is done. Oh, this is so good, guys. It's like a small like mic for you guys to talk. And also this is for the mic part actually. And the next one, guys, it's a bag actually. So it actually my headphones bag, and we can carry, you know, like our carry usually in flying school. So this is the one which has 2 drawers. So yeah, it's like a nice one. Flies, guys, wings, guys. So in the next one, the most important one, guys. Dang, dang. So the one which I was waiting, you know, guys. That's our bag. Let me unbox and see you guys how this is going to be. So it is like, oh my god, so many things. This is like the notepad, like flying in the flight plan. Like thighs so like it's like a notepad. Very nice one, guys. This is actually VFR kneeboard. Air Classics products Air Classics strong, lightweight, aluminium board. So yeah, this is a study board, you know. And the next one is, this is like Air Classics flight computer instructions, and like this is a E6B flight computer. This is square aviation plotter. It actually nautical miles measure use square aviation plotter and the E6B flight computer. And the next one, guys. So yeah, this is from my academy. It's like actually the pilot checklist. I'm actually studying in Vulcan Aviation. So this is the pilot checklist. So emergencies, abnormal procedures, normal procedures. So nice, you know. It's like cute too. It's like a pre-flight check documentations and all those things. I explain about you like more in future, guys. So this is the one, and we are going to see my logbook, guys. Which one I was excited for. So guys, this is my pilot logbook. Down in the South Africa, the pilot logbook. So telling about logbook, we will like working time like flying hours. So we write your name, license number, starting date, and you know, like I need to fill these. So all pilots in dream, you know, like, and this is like a very important part of our journey. So this is my pilot book, and I'm so excited for this one. And the next one, guys, this is like uniform from my. So it's like like white shirts wearing. So our institute we wear it, But കൂടുതലും എല്ലാവരും ഇവിടെ t-shirts ആയിരിക്കും വരാറ്. So this is my t-shirt guys from Vulcan Aviation. It's like a nice one. You guys will see me wearing this one. This is my, what we say, this is my uniform from like another uniform, like that we usually use it. This is it guys. And the next one is dang dang dang. This actually air class in a short fuel test run. We fuel test in a mission and I'll get to know. So this is the thing, fuel test run guys. So yes, and then we have got a air law, South African air law for student pilot, private pilots. So it's like a book. I really need to go through this. So this is a book, padikkanulla book guys. So and the next one is pilot's radio handbook. So the edition 22 ana, so the radio handbook ana, I really need to go through this as well. Some more books coming up. This one is like map guys. See the idea, actually full Handbook in the map part. So it's huge. I'm excited for this one too. It's like a huge map guys. Look at this. Oh my god. So this is one map and we have got another map too, which is different actually. So this is another map. This map guys, and we have got a scale guys. So this is the one, and this is the like nepa nammal matte sambhavam parnille njan aa eduthunnathu nammal ingana tie cheyna saana idu. So that's it for my like SPL kit. So this is how my SPL kit looks. I think this is exciting, more exciting for me. I don't know you guys. Ninki vlog ishtayenge, do like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll be coming back with more videos guys. Bye.